let me introduce you to the most delicious, moist banana muffins with chocolate chips. They're incredibly delicious and made out of no dairy, yet still keeping it that delicious taste. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Now let's begin. For this recipe, you'll need half a cup of avocado oil, 2/3 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 3 bananas, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1½ cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 cup of dairy-free chocolate chips. And these are the ones that I absolutely love. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a 12-count muffin tin with paper liners. You want to mash your bananas in a bowl using a fork or a masher. In the mixing bowl, add sugar and butter and whisk it all up. Then add 2 eggs. Give it a nice whisk. After, add 3 mashed bananas. Plus 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix until blended. Using a different bowl, mix dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, and salt. Combine the dry ingredients into wet ingredients. Mix until everything's combined. After, mix in 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, then evenly divide the batter into 12-count muffin tin and add the rest of chocolate chips over the top. Now bake it at 350 degrees on the center rack for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. After it's done baking, let it cool and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check out my latest recipes, best jalapeno poppers and chicken bacon casserole. Super delicious, perfect for dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!